everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today, I'm going to show you how to make broccoli no tempura. Tempura is one of my most favorite way of eating broccoli. So crispy on the outside, fluffy inside, and it's simply so good. At the end of the video, I will show you how I build a menu with this broccoli no tempura. So stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need. Broccoli, half cup of all-purpose flour, and 1 tablespoon of potato starch. Let's cut the broccoli into chunks. Shave off the skin of the stem, rather thick. Then diagonal slices. As you heat up the vegetable oil over medium to medium-high heat, let's make the tempura batter. Starch into flour and half cup of cold water. Give it a quick mix. Try not to overmix it. Overmixing will bring out the gluten in the flour and makes the batter really sticky. So this is good enough. It's still lumpy, but this is just good enough. Let's check the temperature of the oil. Put damp chopsticks into the oil. And if you see small bubbles coming up like this, it's the right temperature. Broccoli into the batter. Then into the oil. And fry them for 2 to 3 minutes. Looks good. So let's take them out. Before moving on to the next batch, make sure to remove all the tempura bits. with tempura dipping sauce, but I like to have it simply with salt. So let's put some salt. And いただきます。Today, I managed to hold it, but I usually keep eating it as I fry them. So when I finish it, it's half gone. This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 or 2 side dishes. Tempura is a main, so let's have broccoli tempura and shrimp tempura here. I think I want to have little more protein, so let's have egg miso soup here. Plain rice here, and some sort of pickles to refresh your palate for one of the side dishes. Let's forget about the other side, because there is enough vegetable in the meal. I hope you enjoy. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything.